First problem, integral cot square x into dx. So this is also the product of the 2x function. So here also we apply the formula integral fg into dx. And before applying the formula, first I convert the given problem as, in place of cot square x we take the value cosecant square x minus 1 into dx, and this is equals to integral, multiply the 2 times by x, then we get x into cosecant square x minus x into dx, and this is equals to integral x into cosecant square x dx minus integral x dx. Now we are taking the integrations. This is the product of the 2x function, so we take the formula integral f into g. Now what are fg here? First we take the word ilet. First function x, what is x here? Arithmetic. And the next function cosecant square x, what is the trigonometric function? So we take arithmetic function as f, since this is the first function. So this is f, this is g. Now we write the formula. What is the formula? Integral fg dx is equals to f into integral g dx minus integral f dash into integral g dx into dx plus c. Now this is the formula. Now replacing the values, f into integral g, that is x into integral cosecant square x minus integral f dash, that is x whole dash into integral cosecant square x dx into dx minus of integral x. What is integration? X square by 2. After that we take plus c. So integral x is equals to x square by 2. After that we take the constant here, and this is equals to, so here integral cosecant square x is equal to minus cot x. We know the integration formula for this term. For that we are converting the value cot square x as like that, cosecant square x minus 1. Since we don't know the integration of the term cot square x directly, so further we have to convert the cot square x as cosecant square x minus 1, and this is equals to x into, now what is cosecant square x integration? Minus cot x minus integral x derivative 1 into cosecant square x minus cot x into dx minus x square by 2 plus c, and this is equals to minus x cot x minus of minus becomes plus integral cot x into dx minus x square by 2 plus c. So this is equals to minus x cot x plus integral cot x, direct formula log of sin x minus x square by 2 plus c. That's all. This is the answer. Integral x into sin square x into dx. So here also in the first step we convert the term sin square x as 1 minus cos 2x by 2 into dx. Here also to apply the integration easily we have to convert the term like that. Sin square x is equals to 1 minus cos 2x by 2, and this is equals to integral, taking the product with x, then we get x minus x cos 2x by 2 into dx, and this is equals to, writing the constant before the integration, 1 by 2 into integral. What are the remaining values? X minus x cos 2x into dx. Now separating the integration, 1 by 2 into integral x dx minus integral x cos 2x into dx. Now we can easily apply the formula fg to this term. This is equals to 1 by 2 into, what is x integration? X square by 2 minus, apply the formula I let x arithmetic, cos 2x trigonometric. So this is here, this is g. We apply the same formula, f into integral g, f value x into integral g, integral cos 2x into dx minus f dash, integral f dash into integral x dash into integral g dx, integral cos 2x into dx into dx plus c. This is the formula, and this is equals to 1 by 2 into x square by 2 minus x into cos 2x integration. What is cos 2x integration? Sin 2x by 2. X quotient is 2 there, therefore by 2 here, minus integral x derivative 1 into again cos 2x integration sin 2x by 2 into dx plus c, and this is equals to 1 by 2 into x square by 2 minus x sin 2x by 2 minus of minus becomes plus integral sin 2x by 2 into dx plus c. So this is equals to 1 by 2 into x square by 2 minus x sin 2x by 2 plus, writing the constant before the integration, 1 by 2 integral sin 2x into dx plus c. Now taking the integration of this term, and this is equals to 1 by 2 into x square by 2 minus x sin 2x by 2 plus 1 by 2 into integral sin 2x. What is the integration? Minus cos 2x by 2 plus c. Therefore, the answer is 1 by 2 into x square by 2 minus x sin 2x by 2 plus of minus cos 2x by 4 plus c. That's all. This is the answer. This problem, integral sin root x into dx. Now first, to solve this problem, first we take that root x is equal to t. Let root x is equal to t. Then what is the derivative to this equation? Root x derivative 1 by 2 root x into dx is equals to dt, which implies dx is equals to, taking cross product, 2 root x into dt, that is dx is equals to 2t dt. Root x is equal to t here, that is 2t dt. Therefore, given problem is now sin root x into dx is equals to sin, what is root x value? T, sin t into dx. What is dx value? 2t dt. Now writing the constant before the integration, 2 into integral t sin t. The remaining values are here t sin t. So t sin t into dt, which is in the form of x sin x. So we apply the formula fg here, by taking the word islet. What is t? T means x here, that is arithmetic. Sin t, trigonometric. So first function is arithmetic here. So this is f, this is g. Now applying the formula, 2 into, what is formula? F into integral g, t into integral sin t into dt minus integral f dash, that is t dash, into integral g dx, that is integral sin t into dt into dt plus c. Here we take dt, not dx, since the total function is in terms of t. So we take dt here, and this is equals to 2 into t into integral sin t, that is minus cos t, minus integral t dash, t derivative 1 into integral sin t minus cos t into dt plus c, and this is equals to 2 into minus t cos t, minus of minus becomes plus, integral cos t into dt plus c, and this is equals to 2 into minus t cos t plus integral cos t integration sin t plus c, and replacing t value here. Already we have that root x is equals to t. So replacing that value in this answer, t is equal to root x minus root x into cos root x plus sin root x plus c. That's all. This is the answer.